Yo guys, Blue Lock, new secret codes. I'm about to show you a bunch of secret codes in Blue Lock that you can actually redeem and get yourself a lot of free cash, a lot of free style spins, okay? A lot of free style spins, lucky style spins. I'm talking about the lucky ones. So we're getting a brand new update very soon, but guys, if you do want a slot right now, comment down below. Yoshi Wasabi. Was it Yoshi Wasabi or the other guy? It might be Yoshi Wasabi, but I'm not 100% confirmed, okay? The other guy was not findable. He's not findable. But anyways, click on codes. We'll be going over and actually redeeming every single new working code in Blue Lock Rivals right away with the new update coming up, the Monk IGAGURI. The Monk. So this is the Monk update, okay? The Monk update will be dropping soon. But first, guys, redeem 5 million. 5 million. 5 million king. 1.5 million king. Okay, this is the first code. Make sure you guys actually redeem every single other code in this game and comment down below. Comment down below Yoshi Wasabi. Alright, comment down below Yoshi Wasabi. Or you can also comment down below IGAGURI. IGAGURI. So if you comment down below IGAGURI, it should be fine as well. So if you comment this, you can also get this validated. Validated, check marked by the nugget, okay? Next up, the Monk IGAGURI. New style and flow. So we're getting a new flow and a style. The next code. Guys, we do have to redeem the next code in the Blue Lock Rivals right now. Whoa. It is actually dropping. And the next code is going to be the working code. Woking. Okay. King rework. Okay, King rework. Boom. And then rush. The goal rush. Bang. Skibbity bang. Goal rush. Ooh ee ah ee. Ooh ee ah ee. Guys, lock in. Where is the IGAGURI code? IGAGURI code. Guys, this is probably an upcoming code. So you can't redeem it yet, but when update drops, you probably can redeem it.